everyone, my name is Samantha and welcome back to BlackListed Technology. Today I'm going to be going over how I learned to code and the ins and outs of all the websites I used as well as the pros and cons. I started coding because I created BlackListed 1.0 with no technical background, but as I was going on, especially with BlackListed 2.0, I found that I was going to have to learn a lot in order to be successful. What really helped me in my journey was going to online forums and going to code meetups, as well as having a great support system to help me through everything. The first website I used was Code Academy. I found it very useful because I was able to learn a lot of the form as well as the syntax. Although it had a lot of downsides, I felt they didn't give enough information in the beginning, and their terminal they use is completely different than the iTerminal that you actually use when coding Python. I really would have liked to see more of an introduction before just jumping right into the code using Code Academy. It seemed like you were just right away creating video games rather than knowing, okay, this is when Python started, this is what it is, and this is what you'll be learning. The next website I used was Udemy. I found Udemy really helpful because they had a multitude of courses you can take, whether it was from business courses to technology or even nonprofits. I also really enjoyed edX because I felt like with Udemy, you had to listen to 10 different videos in order to understand a concept. Although with edX, you were just able to go through one entire course and learn everything you need to, which I prefer. Learning to code for me has been really challenging, and I found that in order to be successful, you can't just use one of these websites. You have to do your research, look into different resources, and see what works best for you. And like I said, it's very unlikely that you're going to learn everything just from one website. You do need to see what fits you best. I didn't come from a technical background, and I taught myself Python and JavaScript so that I could reach my goal of creating BlackListed 2.0. I made this video to share my experience and how I learned coding myself. It's been a very difficult journey, but I found these tools were very useful. The biggest tip I can give you in learning coding is just to be dedicated and be persistent. Thank you for watching my video, and make sure to check out my website, blacklisted.technology, and leave any comments down below.